Mr. Michael,
Yes, sir.
what have you learned so far using HTML at Hamplus Hub?
Okay. From the beginning, using HTML in Hamplus Hub, it has been a wonderful experience. We've done so many things. Originally, I did HTML before, but I was able to jog up my memory thanks to Hamplus. Using HTML, dealing with different controls, headers, and front ends of sites. I've been able to use HTML to link CSS, JavaScript, and now we are in PHP. So presently, it has been a wonderful experience. Thank you.
So Michael, what have you learned so far in HTML?
Okay, my journey through HTML has been quite an easy one. Hamplus have taught us the basic syntax, the elements, the attributes, and how to use HTML. Then he added CSS and JavaScript, so have been, I would say, like kind of difficult for me, but I'm still understanding. I'm getting my experience on it. But HTML has been good for me. Thanks.
Vera, what have you learned so far using HTML at Hamplus Hub?
When I first came to Hamplus Hub, I never knew what HTML was and how it worked. But being here, I understand some basic things, and I can boast of actually doing something with HTML. Although I'm not very good at it, but as time goes on, I'll be able to perfect.
So Mr. Confidence,
Sir?
what have you learned so far in HTML at Hamplus Hub?
As a first-time front-end user, HTML has been really easy for me since Hamplus Hub taught us the simple ways of going about with HTML styling, and even introduced us to CSS. As a first-time user of HTML, it has been really easy for me. So I will advise you can join us at Hamplus Hub. They make life easy, very easy kind of something. Thank you. I remain confident. Samson, what have you learned so far in HTML at Hamplus Hub?
Thank you for that question. So far at the Hub, Mr. John Paul has taught us about HTML, and I didn't really know much about it, but I've learned how to create an interface. I did the CSS, and we are learning JavaScript right now. So far it has been an interesting ride, the journey, and I've learned so much. Thank you. What have you learned so far in HTML?
Okay, what I've learned so far in HTML, like Hamplus has actually helped in building my skill in HTML. I'm actually a fine and applied art student, but with learning HTML has been easy with Hamplus Hub, and I know going through basic steps and other things. Hamplus has always teach us things that are very, very beneficial to us, even though we're not in the tech space. But I know now I'll be able but now I'll be able to do things with HTML. Thank you.